to our hotel. Have arrived. We're here at the hotel. You ready? Yeah. Here it is. This is our room.
Cool. It's got one bed, doesn't it?
Two beds.
There's two?
Yeah.
Oh, it look like one king back there.
My couch.
It's a nice hotel.
Do you like it?
Here's my
You
bed.
got a window. Yeah, it's Mama's bed. We're at the Doubletree
I can sleep
Lancaster.
in the
You can't get up. Try to climb up there.
It's too high.
So let's check out the rest of the room. Got a fridge,
Let me help you?
big mirror, in the bathroom. Is Duke taking a nap?
Princess Turtle's taking a nap. The turtle looks really tired.
Good morning.
Good
I think it's afternoon. Actually, it's evening. Say good evening.
Good evening.
Good morning. We've been gone all day. Yeah, we're gonna stay here tonight? In your mama's room. Mama gets the couch.
Mama, get the couch.
Well, it opens up into a bed.
Yeah. I brought my sheet.
So we just ordered room service. And after we eat, what are we gonna go do? What, Poppy? Water park, yes. Water park. There's a water park at this hotel. Isn't that fun? We're gonna eat first. You have to eat, right? You're sleepy? Okay.
Stay on.
Okay. And they have special activities. So there's a Sharpie tie-dye bags. I don't think we're gonna do that. But from 8 to 10, there's a campfire.
You were splashing me and I was
Maybe we'll do
splashing
that. And the pool is open
you. You were
till
going down the
10.
slide.
So did you guys have fun today? Daddy open pool. We're gonna eat first and then we're gonna go see the pool, okay? It's morning. Okay, take a nap.
Alright, let's take a nap. I'm sleepy. Oh,
You didn't even drive.
I know.
Our food's here.
how we do his
Look
work.
at Sage's. How's the food?
I just didn't get tomatoes. I didn't get everything with tomatoes. That's why.
You don't like your cheeseburger? All right, you eat the chicken. Where are we going? Okay. Inside voices. They're so excited. We're going to the swimming pool.
I smell it.
There's the pool.
Freezing.
Get down, it's better. face? Go swim to Daddy. Come here, Pop. Come here, Pop. All right, now go back to Daddy. Go back to Daddy. Let it go over. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Sage had to go potty, so Daddy took him back to the room. Run, Poppy, run! Run, 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 let's go! Come on. I like your towel.
Daddy.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Where are we going, buddy?
Why can't I do it?
Campfire! Campfire! We're going to the campfire! She's excited. Hey, you can't run in a parking lot, honey. Cars drive through here. Why are you so excited? Maybe.
Oh, they're doing marshmallows.
What do you think of this campfire?
Do you want me to go get money?
Wait,
Stay here, stay here and wait.
We gotta wait for Daddy. Daddy had to go get money to buy some marshmallows, okay?
Oh, Poppy turned her head on mine.
We're gonna go to the campfire. We're gonna wait for Daddy.
We're gonna wait for Daddy.
What are you doing?
Can you sit on this rock over here with me?
She's all done. She's getting down.
Sit here.
I get on.
Sit on a rock. I got a rock.
Get over here, Poppy.
I didn't say slide down.
No.
No, you stay here. Those guys are golfing.
puppy.
There's Daddy. Daddy, what? He went down the hill. Daddy went down the hill?
Put the marshmallow on it.
Marshmallow on there.
Okay. And then we're going to put one on Sage's. Ready? Sorry. And you hold it way back here. I put it on the wrong end. Oh man.
It shifted.
You hold it right like this. Here, give me that. Give me that. I gave the wrong end, honey bunny. We'll get on marshmallow finger, okay? Down there. Okay.
Wait a second, puppy. Jeez.
She is ready to
I
go.
know. Hold on, Poppy. Wait. Jeez.
Keep it up
Help
high,
her.
honey bun. Put it up like this.
One for you. That's great, Chris.
There's a tiny little spider. Huh?
You don't like marshmallows? You don't like roasted marshmallows? I think they're so good. You know, Daddy doesn't like them either. This was a fun hotel. Ooh.
You like burnt ones?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
You go off the stick. Give me the garbage.
You don't want to eat it?
No, I don't like marshmallows.
See, I told you Daddy didn't like them. He wants to go to the hotel. We're at the hotel. You got marshmallow on your nose. Silly. I think she's tired, Daddy. Did you have fun, Pop Pop? No, so that's a yes. Baloney turds. You had fun. What about you, Sage? Did you have fun? No? Okay.
You hold my hand?
You like sit on a rock.
Dad, you gotta get on the sidewalk, go up the hill.
Says who?
Sage. He's safety. He's safety, Sage.
Safety monitor Sage. Checking in.
We're going back to our room? Do you know where it is?
You're coming.
You're going?
Move. Come on, baby.
Money.
Is this it?
I mean, money.
No?
Yes.
Is that it, Sage?
It's it.
That's it? That's it?
Good night. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.